Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is Dwarf Yaupon Hollies in 2 minutes. You think this is not going to be an exciting plant right here because it's a little dwarf mounding holly, but you'd be wrong. This is the plant that I recommend to almost everybody who says they kill everything they try to grow. This is a super industrial, native to the southeast plant that is hardy in zone 7 to 11, it'll reach 3 or 4 feet in height, but easy to maintain, somewhere around 2 feet in height and 3 to 4 feet in width. These have been under this oak tree for the last 23 years and have competed against it without any additional water. Amazingly tough plant. It would probably prefer more sun than I have it in, but they're doing fantastic here. I cut these to the ground about 2 years ago in a video. They've come back out just absolutely perfect little mounds again, and I just don't have to do anything to this plant. It's resistant to disease, insects, deer, just nothing. It can be pruned, like I say, to the ground and reset if it ever gets larger than you need it. It will take wet feet, it will take dry feet, it will take clay, it will take sand, it will take any conditions that you want to throw at it. And anytime I had somebody come into the garden center or the nursery and tell me they really struggled to find a plant for a space, I always took them to these Dwarf Yaupon Hollies. The new growth on them in the spring, especially in the sun, has a little bit of a reddish hue to it, but then it matures to dark green that can be fertilized in the late winter with a slow release fertilizer. Like I say, pruned anytime, and that's it. There's really not much to do on them. Water them in well when you put them in the ground, let them dry out between waterings. Once they're established, you can just kind of ignore this plant unless you went through an extremely long period of time without rain. I probably just wouldn't worry about them at all. So if you have a space that's really, really difficult to grow something in the sun or the shade, and you want something that's a little perfect, little low domed evergreen shrub, Dwarf Yaupon Holly is probably a great choice for you. So thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of this variety. I frequently have a longer version of these videos on my channel that may show me planting them and maybe some additional information that I didn't share in this shortened version. I also have playlists on this channel for very specific needs. If you're looking for screening plants or foundation plants or shade plants, or you're in like zone 6 or 7, I have playlists that include all the plants that will grow in your area. So look for those playlists on my channel. Thanks for watching.